This is a review of the 30-piece lavender color rose set from MACTING. The brand sent this to me so that way I can review because I'm getting married and these happen to be the exact color of what I want to add to my bouquets and everything else. And so I'm so excited that I get to review this product. And so I had already opened this, but it comes with a little good luck card where you open it up and it just says like 2, and then you can fill it out by hand. And then it does come with 2 rose leaves, and then it comes with the 30 roses, and these roses are so soft. And you can just see it's got a nice long stem. And then again, they are just so soft. And this is the lavender color. And there are 30 pieces like this. And so what I plan on doing is, you know, like just taking this and maybe adding some lavender to it. You know, adding some lavender. You know, I was thinking like I could add some lavender to it, or I could even you know, add it to some corsages, so then that way we get kind of a different gradient of purples in there. And I'm so excited because there's so many possibilities of what I can use these for. Mold and move, you know, the stems, and then that way you can just do what you'd like. And they're so pretty. Add make them into little centerpieces. Possibilities are endless. It's just based on your imagination.